Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all having a lovely Sunday. So I've had a few little bits delivered. So I've made one order for Madam Glam and one order for Shein, but I've actually had 3 packages from Madam Glam. So I'm going to show you the first one that came. I never ordered this. This is a lovely little treat from Madam Glam, and they sent me, that was a drum roll, lots of little pots of gel paint, which I love. I absolutely love their gel paint. So we've got a white and a black gel paint, which are so essential. So essential. Gold gel paint, absolute. Oh, it's amazing. And then the green, pink and yellow gel paints. If you've watched my previous videos, the Christmas one, you'll see that I had it gifted to me by my lovely partner. He brought me the whole gel paint kit, so I love that. And then this, it's been in my basket for actually quite a long time now. This, it's a top coat. It is, what is it called? Hang on, it's right in front of me. I don't need to rewind. Oh, it's there, look. Dots Matte Top Coat. So it's a matte top coat, and it's got 3 or 4 tiny little black glitters in it. If you remember last year and the previous year at Easter, people go mad for the mini egg kind of nails, so that is absolutely perfect for that. Perfect. And then this one, confetti. This is a glossy top coat. It was bizarre because I was like, I'm going to get some clear UV builder gel, and I'm going to add loads of iridescent glitters to it and build some nails with that. And then that turned up, this top coat. It's just, yeah, it was bizarre. It was like the mind readers or something. I like it on the black. I think the colours pop because they're iridescent. I think the colours pop a bit more on the white nail. But look at that. I think that would be really good for like firework nail. Yeah, Christmassy, New Year, firework night, bonfire night, 4th of July. Perfect. So yeah, that is the first little order. Delivery. I never ordered this. Lovely little gift from Madam Glam. So thank you very, very much. Always appreciated. And I cannot wait to have a little play, see what sort of designs we can come up with ready for Easter and just general spring and summer nails, really. So yeah, that's the first little one that we had. And then the second delivery came the next day, and this is one that I ordered. I needed a few little essentials, so we needed a new velvet matte top coat. And I go through the no wipe top coat like there is no tomorrow. So I thought, you know what, I'll order 2 bottles instead. And then, because my acid primer, my nail primer, is a bit grotty and old and gross, I thought I'd try their one. And this, I didn't even know they did polygel. Why did I not know? So I got in Blush Peony. I've just brought the 1 tube just to give it a try. I've heard good things about it. I had a little bit of a research. If you've used it, let me know. Have you tried the Madam Glam polygel before? Let me know what you think of it. And those matte and glossy confetti dotty top coats. Let me know what you think of them. Have you got them? Are you going to get them? Have you tried them before? But yeah, this polygel's really intriguing me. I love polygel. I always use Macarte polygel, and I've tried that Moravan polygel, but it's a bit naff. So I'm really excited to try the Madam Glam one. And then this came, so 3 days in a row I had my delivery lady was like, it's another one. It's for you again. So this was the 3rd day in a row. Just a box full of mini polishes. And it wasn't until I got to the very end. Look at this colour. Look at it. It is so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, let's just go through the colours first because they're just beautiful. This one, Dream Diamonds. Oh my gosh. I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's a glitter. And then I opened it. Look at that. Oh, it is so pretty. So pretty. I love it. Love it. But yeah, it wasn't until I got halfway through looking at these bottles, I was like, I wonder why they've sent me some minis. And my lady that I speak to, she hadn't even told me that she was sending me anything either. I haven't spoke to her since she sent me the House of Love collection. Oh, this one. Look at this. I was expecting obviously a deep, deep green, but look how dark that is. I can't wait. I haven't swatched any of them either, and I really need to swatch them. So yeah, I'm excited to see what that looks like on a nail with 2 coats. Is it going to be that dark? I really do like dark greens. My nail room is dark, like British racing green. Yeah, love it. Love it. I keep saying that. But it wasn't until halfway through, looking at all the colours, that I was thinking, why have they sent, not that I'm miffed about it, but there was something about the bottles, and I grabbed, if you remember the advent calendar, Madam Glam advent calendar, there was quite a few minis in there. How many was there in total? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8? Maybe 9. I think there was 8. Yeah, there's 8. No, 9. There was 9. Just counted them. So I grabbed one of them that we got from the calendar, and I compared the bottles, and I think they've changed the bottle shape. Look at this one. If you've seen the what's on my thumb now, that is a Born Pretty one in silver. They do a gold one as well. I didn't even know Madam Glam did one. Look at that. Touches of gold. So yeah, I'm excited to use that as well. Yeah, they've changed the bottle shape, but I believe they have. I think they have. The old minis, the ones that I've got from the advent calendar, I'll show you in a second. The lid, the bottle brush part that you hold is a lot smaller than the new one, or what I think is the new one. Yeah, so that is it's obviously better, much better, because you got a bigger handle to hold. So I'm much happier about that. Sorry. So yeah, I think that's what the difference is. Maybe these little tiny ones are the new ones, and the ones with the long handle is the old one, and they just sent me some. Anyway, Shein. We're on to the Shein. So in the past, I have ordered singular drill bits from Shein. They've been fantastic. Honestly, no complaints whatsoever. And then I spotted this. I was actually looking for a new cuticle bit. I couldn't find one on the Shein website anyway, just on its own. And then I spotted this. I think this was £9 for all of this. And then they've got the different, what is it called? Grit? Yes, grit. Mine's blank. It's nearly midnight. I've been at hospital all day seeing my mum, so I'm a bit frazzled in the brain. That's just usual really though, to be honest. But yes, they sell lots and lots and lots of drill bits. Like I said, I've had the singular ones. I love them. So I thought I'd give these ones a go. It's always good to have a few drill bits. They're only the diamond ones. I didn't have any ceramic-y ones. I've had singular ceramic ones, but the big pack only had diamond. And then a new pump bottle thing, because this is my current one, the only one I've ever had, and I am sick to death of the lid being broken, it being too small, and I'm constantly filling it up. So I thought, oh yeah, let's get a new one because the lid's broke. I'm always filling it up. Maybe they do big ones. I wasn't expecting this to be as big as it was. I am very, very happy that it is this big. I don't know whether it's acetone proof sort of thing. I believe it was either the description or the reviews. I'm sure that it mentioned that it was. I could be wrong, but I brought 2. One for my alcohol, one for my acetone. Because they're both clear liquids, I use ones that haven't got any colour into them. I just make a little sticker, little label from my Cricut machine, and I label them up. And then these, they're labelled, they're sold and advertised as UV gloves for when you're putting your hand in the lamp. But they came with plasters. Like, half. But I don't know. I have no idea. Why have they sent me them? I don't know. If you know, please let me know. I don't know. And then it came to putting the glove on. I've got big hands. I think I have got big hands. They're chunky. I'm a chunky girl. I've got chunky hands. So I was putting it on and we got stuck. Oh gosh, look. But it's all right because it's like a felty material. So I just gave it a little stretch. I got my fat burger hand in there in the end. So we're all right. So if you have chunky hands, you can give them a stretch. They're going to fit you, hopefully. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't believe that they are going to be UV resistant. Looking at the material, it's just fuzzy felt. So we'll see. Well, we can't see because I haven't got a test at home to see if it's UV resistant. So I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea about these plasters either. I thought, maybe if you're only doing one nail at a time, maybe you put plasters. If you're like really conscious about the UV effects, maybe you put the plasters over the nails that you're not doing. I don't know. No idea. It didn't say anything on the packaging. It didn't say anything on the while it was being advertised and stuff. I don't know. Swatch sticks is next. We all need swatch sticks. So I brought 3 packets because I've been out of them since Christmas. No, not since Christmas. I did the House of Love collection, had just enough to do them and a few more bits that I had for Christmas, some polishes that I had for Christmas that I hadn't swatched yet, and then I ran out. But I didn't realise, because I'd ordered loads from Shein originally, couldn't find them again, so ordered some off Amazon thinking, well, I'll just get the same shape, not thinking that it'll be a different length stick. So I'm thinking maybe I order some more and I redo all of them so that they're all the same length, because I've got 7 rings of these. What I'm holding now, there's 7 of them. So I don't know whether to do that. It's going to be a long process. And then this thing, I was looking for a new container anyway. A bit like the acetone alcohol situation, the pump bottle, sick of refilling it. The lint-free wipe holder that I use is tiny. So I was like, let's buy some more lint-free wipes. Let's buy a new holder. And then this came with 200 wipes already in it for £2. Cannot complain at that. And then I like to purchase a new cuticle nipper every 6 months. I buy a new one just so that I know, because I only use it on myself, I just know that it's sharp. It's always going to be sharp, and my old one will be used for nipping off any stones or anything like that, anything really. And then this thing, so a bit, I don't know whether it's TMI, too much information, but I suffer now and again, not all the time, ingrown toenails on my big toe. And I watch a lady on YouTube, I've been watching her for so long, absolute years, called The Meticulous Manicurist. She's fantastic. She's so clever. She's so good at what she does. And she actually sells one of these. I think it's called a rasp. A nail rasp. I'm sure that's what she said it's called. But it's there's a curved end and a straight end, and those lines, so you put it in with the lines facing up, just under the nail, and then you turn it at a 45-degree angle, and then you slide it out, and it's supposed to grab all like the debris from under your toenails. I don't feel like I get much debris under my toenails, but I suppose we'll try the rasp out and see if I actually have. Cuticle scissors. I haven't had some for a year, and I keep forgetting to buy some. So I thought, just go for it. Just get some off Shein. They're going to be sharp. And I shouldn't have been doing this because I hadn't sterilised them. So please don't tell me off. But yeah, I thought I'd give them a go. They were a couple of quid as well. And you know what? Them and the cuticle nippers felt really, really good in the hand, especially those nippers. And this, if I'm getting scissors and nippers, I may as well get a clipper. I have so many clippers and they're in my little pocket on my desk, and the 3 kids and the big kid just steal them to cut their toenails or their fingernails. So I'm always going, where the hell are my clippers? So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get these ones, which felt freaking amazing, so sturdy and heavy. I'm going to put this one in my drawer so that they never ever see it, because they never go in my drawers. So yeah, they won't steal that one, will they? Unless they watch this video and know, they find out where I'm keeping it. Palettes, we always need palettes. I've lost 2. I've got a pink and a green one that I haven't seen for so long. So I've just got my brown one left. It's like a smoky grey brown. And I keep using that all the time. I don't know where my green and my pink one's gone. So I've had to order a new one. I bet you any money it turns up now as well, now that I've ordered a new one. But yeah, I don't know where they've gone. But I love the palettes. You don't have to use them as palettes. You could use them as coasters or like display stand sort of thing, like a little display placemat, place card, placard, whatever they're called. And these glitters, one of them exploded a little bit. The bag had opened along the side, the seam at the side, and it was just this yellow pot. It was slightly open, so a few little bits of glitter was seeping out. But I think if I could see, there's like solid pieces of glitter, then clear iridescent pieces, and then solid iridescent pieces, all in different sizes. And I'm really excited because you've got the yellow, blue, purple, pink, green, like a orangey brown fall sort of colour. So these are going to be perfect for spring, summer and autumn, and obviously winter with the blue one. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. Oh, and I absolutely love these. I forgot all about these once I'd ordered them, and then obviously it came, I was like, oh yes, I forgot. But these are so pretty. So I've had some crystals from Crystal Parade before, and those pink ones they're just like the exact same. But there's green, like a minty green, gorgeous, like pastel-y, pale, purpley blue, and then that pink. And there are so many in so many different sizes as well. I love them. Perfect pastel spring colours. And then we're on to the last one, unfortunately, but I feel like this is actually the best thing I've ever brought from Shein. Probably not. No, let's not say that. They're very good though. I really like them. They are the sparkliest I think I've ever had from Shein. Shein, however you want to say it. Oh, but look at them. They make a little butterfly if you put them together. I don't think you could actually have them singularly. Just the one piece on the nail. I don't know what it would do. How you would go about that. I don't know. Someone more creative than me probably could get away with it and make something amazing. But there is enough there to do 5. It's like a pinky orange and 5 beautiful clear iridescent butterflies. And that is it. A lovely little haul done. I will try my hardest to leave everything linked down below in the description box. I do hope you enjoyed this little haul, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I am flabbergasted. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on Wednesday with a tutorial. Thanks guys, bye.